In the bustling city of Boston, Massachusetts, during the early 19th century, a transformative period in history was about to unfold. The year was 1837, and the United States was grappling with the challenges of an expanding nation. The concept of public education was still in its infancy, and the country was in dire need of a visionary leader to set the course for the future. Enter Horace Mann, a man with a bold vision for education. A renowned advocate for the cause, Mann believed that education was the key to breaking the cycle of poverty and creating a more equitable society. Mann's life had been marked by a deep-seated passion for learning, fueled by his own experiences as a student in the elite-but-elitist Harvard College. He was determined to create a system of education that was accessible to all, regardless of social status or financial means. The year 1837 saw Mann's appointment as the secretary of the Massachusetts Board of Education, a position that would allow him to bring his vision to life. His first task was to address the dire state of schools in the Commonwealth, which were plagued by poor facilities, inadequate funding, and low standards. Mann set out to revolutionize the educational landscape. He advocated for the hiring of well-qualified teachers, the introduction of textbooks, and the standardization of curriculum. He believed that education should be a collaborative endeavor, and he worked tirelessly to foster a network of educators who would share best practices and support one another. One of Mann's most significant contributions was the establishment of normal schools, institutions designed to train teachers. These schools would ensure that teachers were well equipped to handle the demands of their profession, and they would serve as a beacon of quality education for generations to come. The crisis of the time was the lack of a comprehensive education system. The action was Horace Mann's tireless advocacy and his bold vision for education. The consequence was a revolution in education that would shape the course of American history. Mann's work laid the foundation for the modern public education system. His legacy can still be seen today, in the standards and practices that govern our schools, and in the belief that education is the great equalizer, a beacon of hope in a world divided by inequality. In the heart of Boston, a man with a vision changed the course of history. Horace Mann, the architect of the American public education system, left a legacy that continues to inspire and guide us today. His story serves as a reminder that one man, with a passion for learning and a vision for a better future, can indeed change the world.